Give your clients an instant glow with the Dream Facial. It's like a power nap for the skin. It instantly refreshes and revitalizes your client's skin, designed to mimic the healing process that happens while sleeping. The Dream Facial will make your client's skin glow as though they got a full night's rest. When you sleep, your body enters into a natural circadian rhythm, and your cells repair themselves. This process increases circulation, eliminates toxins, and keeps the skin looking fresh. It's called beauty sleep for a reason. The problem is, most people don't get enough sleep. But the Dream Facial is designed to mimic the body's natural circadian rhythms to heal your skin. It packs the restorative benefits of 8 hours of sleep into a facial, leaving skin looking refreshed. Plus, with our digital success toolkit, you get all the award-winning products, plus all the tools, guides, and marketing you need to immediately install this facial in your treatment room. Create an incredible return on investment with what will be one of the most versatile treatments on your menu. Harness the high-performing ingredients in Dream to give your clients that post-nap glow by stimulating collagen production, promoting lymphatic drainage, and optimizing hydration levels. The skin is infused with antioxidants, pre- and postbiotics, immune-boosting acids, powerful plant extracts, and many more rejuvenating science-backed ingredients, restoring skin's vitality just like it had a full night's rest. This facial is sure to be a superstar treatment for your practice. You'll get all the products you need, plus everything you need to market, sell, and deliver results, including home care regimens to address tired, dull, and fatigued skin, in-depth knowledge on the science behind the importance of sleep and high-performing ingredients for the skin, techniques to identify and treat the diverse signs of tired skin, posts and videos to educate and attract clients, proven methods to boost your sales, empower your team with tools to work efficiently, on-demand training for advanced techniques, and resources to promote the Dream Facial in your spa. If you're ready to add the Dream Facial to your treatment room with an incredible ROI, click below to order now or download the Digital Success Toolkit for free.